We are making some cabbage rolls and I'm using my friend's recipe, which is from her grandma, Italian grandma called Gina. Now all our ingredients are here. We have everything ready. Our big cabbage here. I have some minced beef. There's 1 egg to add to this as well. I have some Parmesan cheese, 1 onion that I pre-cooked just a little bit. I'm adding some rice. Now most people would put just the normal white rice, but since I'm using brown rice, that's my favorite, I pre-cooked it for 5-6 minutes because the brown rice takes longer to cook. We have some parsley. We're gonna all mix this with the meat. And then the tomato sauce. Smells amazing. So I just made this just before. Very simple to do. Onion, celery, and then tomato, garlic of course, and some like oregano and parsley of course, and basil, whatever you prefer really. So cooked all that together in a pot and then I put it in the blender after. So we have a nice rich tomato sauce to go with our cabbage rolls. So let's prepare our meat first. So minced meat, beef. I will add 1 egg to this. So just the egg here. Salt, pepper. Then we'll put a little bit of the Parmesan and save some for the topping a little bit later. So I'm putting just 1/4 cup maybe. There's 1 onion. We put all that in. We're gonna put the rice. There's 1/2 cup of rice. And we're gonna put the parsley and mix this all together to roll in our cabbage. The best way to mix this is with your hands. So I'm gonna wear some gloves. Just mix it all together. Okay, we're good to go. Now with our cabbage, it's ready to go, but to be able to take the leaves out without breaking them, what I did is I boiled it in a whole big pot of water for about 10 minutes. But what I do first is I cut the heart out before I put it in the hot water. So it's much easier to be able to pull them apart. And I sit it here on the tray because there's a little bit of water coming out and we don't want the water in our recipe. So now we're able to take some leaves off just like this. So let's see how easy it is. I can roll them off and they come off very easy like that. So what I'm gonna do is to prepare all my leaves like that without breaking them. It comes out very easy when you boil it first. Okay, well, we might have enough for now, so I'll put this aside. We can use it for soup, we can make all things with the rest of the cabbage. I think I have enough here. Okay, let's roll our cabbage. Now my tray is ready here and I put some of the tomato sauce at the bottom and I'll roll the cabbage and I will put it here and add on a little bit more tomato sauce on top. So let's get going. The leaves are really big, so I'll put a bit of the meat, start rolling. So they're gonna be big one. Sometimes we made them like a little bit long. In French we call them cigar and so they're a bit long. So I'll put that much on each because my leaves are so big. So I'll put it just right here in the cabbage. I put it near where the harder part is and simply just roll it tight, and then you fold the ends here like that, and then just roll it up like that and place it here in the tray, you know, really sort of tight like that. Next one. Here they are, ready to go into the oven. So it will go at 375, about 200 Celsius, and we'll leave them there for 1 hour, just checking with time, maybe just a little bit more, until the cabbage is all cooked through and the meat needs to cook as well. So an hour and a bit. I will add some salt and pepper on top as well, because our cabbage needs to be a little bit salted as well. Salt and pepper on top, and it goes like uncovered like this in the oven. I'll add just a little bit of the tomato sauce on top, not too much, just like this, and spread it over just to cover the rolls. Into the oven. Our cabbage rolls are ready to serve. Just adding a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top and it's ready. Bon appétit!